Hi everyone, welcome to the series of my English classes. Today we are going to discuss article writing. Article writing is a very important section which comes in your writing section. It fetches you a lot of marks because it has a high weightage of 10 marks. Generally, an article writing question will be asked for 10 marks. The format of writing an article is very easy. The only thing you have to keep in your mind is using proper vocabulary and proper grammar. So let's see how to write an article. So first of all, what is an article? An article is a written piece of work published in a print or electronic medium. The main purpose of publishing an article is propagating news to analyze the result or academics. Usually, articles are published in a newspaper or magazines. Whenever you are writing an article, please keep the following things in your mind. Give a suitable title. The title should attract the readers. Begin the article with a striking opening. Striking opening sentence which addresses the readers about the particular subject. Present a strong argument with audience. Introduce a new point or a new idea at the beginning of each paragraph. Students, you can write minimum 3 paragraphs and maximum 7 to 8 paragraphs. Conclude the article with a strong and catchy point. For that you can use quotations, questions, or any other good statements. Students, here is the format of writing an article. First you have to write the heading on the top middle. You have to write the heading on the top middle. The heading should be eye-catching and also should be sharp so as to attract the readers. The heading is followed by the byline. Byline means by whom the article is written. It should also be written in the middle of the second line. After heading, you have to write the byline in the second line. Then you can start writing the paragraphs. Minimum 3 paragraphs you have to write. The body of the letter consists of minimum 3 paragraphs. In the opening paragraph, you have to write the introduction. The opening paragraph must state what the article is about. It should catch the attention and it should arouse the interest in the minds of the readers. Always limit and control what you plan to discuss in your article. Use clear and precise language, may even contain a definition or quotation. In the opening paragraph, you can use a slogan, a question, an amazing fact, a statement, or a brief introduction. The main aim behind this is to impress the readers. Each paragraph should be written in a meaningful manner. The second paragraph explains the causes, the effects, and the present state or condition of the particular topic. It should be comparatively lengthy paragraph. When compared to the introductory paragraph and to the conclusion, this paragraph should be a little bit lengthy. You can present arguments in a coherent, logical, and convincing manner. You can compare and contrast. You can give views contrary to yours. Compare and justify why your views are better. While writing the summing up, you can offer suggestions. You can offer measures to improve the situation, and you can add your personal observations and predictions. Students, always keep in your mind, don't attempt to write about every single piece of information. select relevant information which is suitable for the topic, only that you have to write. Always begin the paragraphs with a catchy sentence. The introductory paragraph should be very, very attractive so that you can attract the readers in a great extent. You can create an interest in the mind of the readers. For that, you can use slogans, quotations, proverbs, statements, or a well developed introduction to the topic. Your conclusion should contain suggestions, solutions, or measures to improve the situation. So, students, here is an example for writing articles. I hope you understood today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.